If you can't see it, it probably can't see you. So till you get close, it's good if you have something between you and them.
Running late again. Why can't I not just get anywhere on time?
Hello. I have a guest today.
It's just the camera we'll be rocking with today. Shooting with John Nickerson. I think we're shooting bird photography, right, John?
Pretty much. So the first spot we're going is where the eagle tends to show up a lot.
Nice.
Hopefully get some in-flight shots.
Currently searching for the great horned owl. I keep hearing weird noises in the woods and I don't know if it's a bird. Shit.
Like the great blue heron that we saw. Some of them, like around the ponds up here, they're so used to seeing people that you can,
I see.
You know, you can get within 3 or 4 feet of them.
Yeah.
And then other things like a kingfisher, you know, you get within 50 feet of it, it's gonna bolt. That's the hawk. Hawk right there. Yep.
Ooh. We got a hit that there's an owl. What kind of owl was it that we're going to now? A barred owl. A bard?
B-A-R-R-E-D.
We got a barred owl sighting, so we're trekking our way back across.
Oh, that's it, yeah.
The branch that's sticking out here is on the left.
Yeah, I mean, we kind of glanced at him. The hawk. We didn't really like. Wow. Perched out waiting for the bald eagle right now. Hopefully we see one. What are the chances we see a bald eagle?
One never knows. You walk up. If you can't see it, it probably can't see you. So till you get close, it's good if you have something between you and the bird, so it's
smart.
not.
I still can't see the hawk. Oh God. Oh God. So we're arriving at the swamp after like 4 attempts now to get to the swamp. Every time we almost got there, we changed course or we got a call to go somewhere else. So we are finally here. Wow, so they actually have spots literally for alligators.
Yeah, there's bunches of alligators.
I gotta pee. I hope there's a bath. Is there a bathroom up there?
My hands are cold.
Yeah, mine are absolutely frozen solid. Thanks for the snack. Oh wow, nice. This is light.
This is the edge when it's like one scoop.
Thanks for letting me tag along with you.
Man.
I learned a lot.
Cool.
We'll see you around.
I look forward to the video.
I hope you enjoyed that little day in the life. It was super cool being surrounded by people all with hella expensive cameras and gear and loving all about photography. That was something I've never experienced before, so that was super interesting. But if you made it to this point in the video, thank you so much. You are a real one. I hope you have a fantastic day. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button, drop a like in this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.